Welcome to the video datasheet series presented by ESDGuns.com. TESSEC NSG435, one of the most effective and proven models on the market. Also one of the most popular rental units for short-term troubleshooting and pre-certification. The NSG435 produces reliable and consistent discharge waveforms ideal for electrostatic immunity testing, evaluation, and compliance. In addition to a user-friendly interface, quick access to test levels for IEC compliance standard 61000-4-2 makes the unit easy to use. Voltage capabilities exceed that required per IEC 61000-4-2 and other compliance standards for commercial electronics. In contact mode, frequencies from 10 discharges per second to 1 discharge every 2 seconds can be achieved. In air mode, speeds up to 25 discharges per second can be reached. During every test sequence, the default counter will increment on every successful discharge. The preset counter can be used to ensure a predetermined discharge count up to 9,999, counting backwards, terminating the test sequence when the counter reaches 0. Alright, we're rolling. The TESSEC NSG435 weighs just over 2.5 pounds with the battery. Spans 8 inches from top to bottom and front to back, 4 inches side to side. 2 locations to plug in the ground cable and a tripod bush with the supplied adapter will allow you to set up in tight spaces. Microprocessor controls and monitors all the generator functions. The battery charge state is also continuously monitored. The instrument's functions are inhibited once the battery voltage is insufficient to guarantee the pulse parameter. The high voltage generation is dynamically controlled by the processor. 15 varying load conditions, supply voltages, etc. can thus be taken into account and have no effect on the pulse parameters. The charge voltage to the network is kept constant as long as the trigger is active. The high voltage is discharged internally when the trigger is reset. Acoustic signals will occur to confirm parameter inputs, termination of test sequences, and warnings. A measurement facility at the pulse output measures the actual air voltage reached during an air discharge, and it will show on the display. Pulse triggering is also monitored. Once an arc has occurred, the network is discharged internally so that no further arcing is possible. The following 4 charts contain sampled calibration data including peak current, rise time, DC voltage for air discharge, and the output curve. For in-depth analysis, you will want to pause this video. When you receive your NSG435 system, you will have all the necessary components for CE marking, IEC 61000-4-2, and other EMC directives. Additional components and upgrades can be purchased to enhance your testing. Accredited calibrations ISO 17025 if required by your quality department. A power supply for high frequency and continuous pulse testing. Cables with 470 kilo ohm resistors for connection between coupling planes in your ESD test environment. External trigger to allow for remote control. Flexible small pin, fast time, and other test tips are available. Unique networks can be built for standards such as UL 1023 and UL 2560, and calibration targets for your test tip verification. Typically, stock is readily available for immediate shipment when purchasing, renting, or stealing your new TESSEC NSG435 system. ESDGuns.com is a distributor of electrostatic discharge testing equipment, accessories, and hardware for ESD compliance, presenting a fair assessment of any products based on experience and customer feedback, including functionality, performance, and post-sales experiences and support. Locations in California and New Jersey allow for servicing, including calibrations to ISO 17025 and repairs to be completed in a timely and cost-efficient manner. ESDGuns.com is the only web store that offers online ordering and rental reservations as well as a side-by-side comparison tool. To rent, buy, or steal your TESSEC NSG435 now, visit ESDGuns.com and fill out an online quote form or contact us directly for more information. Find ESDGuns.com on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Google+. Pressing the video thumbnail now will take you to the how-to video and instructional manual for the NSG435.